They say every soul has a guardian. But what if the one sent to protect is the one your heart longs for?
Near you every sleepless night. But one small smile, it broke through the sky. Now heaven trembles when you're by my side.
Another late night. Sana kahit minsan may maghintay sa akin.
A car speeds toward her, brakes screeching. Suddenly, Elian appears, grabbing her arm, pulling her away just in time.
Who are you?
Just someone making sure you're safe.
He lets go, steps back into the shadows. His eyes glow faintly under the street lamp.
That man, parang nakita ko na siya dati. Pero saan?
Elian watching her from outside the window, unseen by everyone. His hand rests on the glass as if reaching out.
Forgive me, I can only protect you from a distance.
Feather drifts down into Ariana's hand. She looks at it, confused.
I found my home. 하늘도 막을 수 없어. Even heaven cannot stop this. 사랑은 나의 기적. Love is my miracle. I hear the whispers, angels call my name. But every heartbeat sings of you the same.
Hindi ko alam. Pero parang kilala ko siya. Yung ngiti niya. Parang dati ko nang nakita.
She looks out the window. Across the street, Elian stands under his umbrella, watching her quietly.
That smile, I've seen it before.
Ariana leaves the cafe. She walks fast, rain still falling. Elian follows at a distance.
Why are you following me?
I'm not following, just making sure you get home safe.
That's twice now. Who are you, really?
Silence. Elian only smiles faintly, but does not answer. The rain glows around him under the neon lights, almost magical. Soft blur. Ariana's dream. She sees herself in a field of golden flowers. Reaching out, a man's voice laughs warmly, the same smile as Elian's.
That smile, it's the same.
She wakes up in her bed, sweating, clutching her blanket. Elian stands on a rooftop, looking at the city lights, conflicted.
I shouldn't let her remember, but her heart already knows before her mind does.
I walked in silence, hidden from
Ariana looking at her reflection, Elian watching from the shadows, a feather falling between them.
last night. But one small smile, it broke through the sky.
Elian standing at the edge, holding the glowing feather in his palm.
Bawal akong mapansin ng mundo, lalo na ng taong mahal ko noon pa man. Pero bakit? Bakit sa tuwing ngumingiti siya, bumabalik ang lahat?
Lagi kitang nakikita, parang sinusundan mo ako. Sino ka ba talaga?
Wala akong karapatang ipaliwanag.
Pero bakit kapag ngumingiti ka, parang kilala na kita nun ba?
Ariana stares at Elian's faint smile. Flashback. A wide flower field. A hand reaching out to hers.
Hindi mo dapat maalala. Dahil may mga batas na hindi pwedeng suwayin.
Elion, nalimutan mo na ba ang unang batas ng langit? Ang mga alaala ng isang mortal ay hindi dapat bumalik.
Pero hindi ko na kayang itago. Kung alam mo lang, bawat ngiti niya ay parang tanikalan na humihila pabalik sa nakaraan.
Kapag nagpatuloy ka, hindi lang siya ang mawawala, pati ang kaligtasan niya.
Elion clenches his fists, his silver pendant glowing brighter. Street at night, Ariana walks alone holding her umbrella, unaware of Elion watching from the shadows.
Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero parang may lihim na hindi ko dapat malaman. At siya ang tanging may hawak nito.
Elion's anguished face as he whispers into the rain.
Patawad, Ari, pero hindi ka na dapat magmahal sa isang tulad ko.
Ariana sleeping, a dream sequence of the flower field returns, but this time, she sees Elion's face clearly.
Falling from heaven just to love you, breaking the rules that kept us apart. If I lose my wings, I'll choose to stay true. Your love is the reason I found my home.
Nighttime dreamscape, a vast lake under a starry sky, surrounded by floating cherry blossoms, mist swirls on the water's surface.
Nasaan ako? Bakit parang panaginip lang?
Suddenly, light bursts across the lake. Elion appears in full guardian form.
Ikaw na naman. Guardian ka nga talaga.
Ariana, ito ang mundo ng panaginip. Dito ko, mas naipapakita ang tunay kong anyo.
Bakit ako nandito? Pinapasok mo ba ang isip ko?
Hindi ko pinilit. Ang kaluluwa mo ang tumawag sa akin. May hinahanap ka na hindi mo kayang sambitin.
The lake ripples, transforming into fragments of Ariana's memories, her childhood, her prayers, moments of loneliness. Ariana sees a younger version of herself crying on a swing.
Ito ang mga alaala ko.
Hindi lahat ng panaginip ay kathang-isip. Minsan, ito'y daan upang ipaalala sa atin ang mga nakalimutan.
Bakit parang kilala kita noon pa? Kahit ngayon lang tayo nagkita.
Elion's expression shifts, torn between truth and secrecy.
Dahil minsan, ang kaluluwa ng tao at ang isang tagapagbantay nagtatagpo muli.
The dream shatters into fragments of light. A dark shadow looms across the sky. Thunder cracks. Elion steps in front of Ariana, shielding her with his glowing wings.
Ano yon?
May mga nilalang na hindi dapat makita sa iyong panaginip. Hindi ka pa handa.
The shadow screeches, then fades. The dream begins to collapse.
Magising ka, Ariana. Huwag kang bibitaw.
Ariana gasps awake in her bedroom, drenched in sweat.
Panaginip lang ba talaga iyon? O totoo?
A single white feather rests on the sill, glowing faintly.
When mortals dream, heaven listens.
Love is my miracle. I hear the whispers, angels call my name. But every heartbeat sings of you the same. I was made to guard, but not to feel this way. Yet in your eyes, I want to stay, May. Even if I fade, will you remember me?
Bakit parang may mga alaala akong hindi ko naman maalala? Mga ngiti, mga pangako, pero hindi ko alam kung kanino.
Suddenly, a glow forms. Elion appears in his guardian form. Wings spread. hair flowing with light.
Hindi lahat ng alaala ay para sa mortal na puso. Ngunit may mga pusong hindi makakalimot.
Ikaw na naman. Sino ka ba talaga? At bakit lagi kang nandyan?
Ako ang tagapagbantay mo, Ariana. Sa panaginip man o sa gising, hindi ako umaalis.
Pero bakit parang matagal na kitang kilala? Kahit hindi naman tayo nagkita dati.
Elion pauses, his face softens, but as wings fade, he shifts into his human form.
May mga bagay na hindi ko pa pwedeng sabihin. May mga batas ang langit na hindi ko kayang labagin.
Batas? Paano naman ako? Ako yung naiipit sa mga tanong na walang sagot.
A moment of silence. The wind blows stronger. Elion's eyes flicker with hidden pain.
Kung kaya ko lang, sana maalala mo kung sino ako sa puso mo.
Ariana reaches out her hand toward Elion, trembling.
Kung tagapagbantay ka nga, bakit ramdam kong higit pa doon ang koneksyon natin?
Elion hesitates. His hand almost touches hers but pulls back, struggling.
Hindi ko pwedeng. Ariana, huwag mo akong pilitin.
Lagi kang nandyan pero parang laging malayo.
Tears fall. Elion looks away. Guilt in his eyes. The falling star fades.
Kung kaya ko lang baguhin ang kapalaran, pipiliin kong mahalin ka kahit ilang beses pa tayong magkahiwalay.
He places a glowing feather on her bedside table. It vanishes as soon as it touches the wood. Ariana stirs, whispering unconsciously.
Elion, huwag kang umalis.